You three are here to partake in an interview to become an FBI field agent. Please state your names. Anthony Smith, sir. Johnny Jackson, sir. Ling Ling. Just Ling Ling? First name Ling, last name Ling, dumbass. Okay, wow, damn, sorry. Anyway, in that room is each of your sons. Take this and take their life. Are you kidding me? I can't do that. He's my own flesh and blood. Then get out. You're not right for this job. What about you? Okay. I couldn't do it. Get out. All right, how about you? Give me that weapon.
Dad? Oh, hey, Dad, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God!
Some dumbass forgot to put ammo in here. I had to beat that shit out of him with my hand.